Hey everyone, this video is part 1 in a series of videos that will guide you step by step in creating a custom Revit structural template. In this video I'm going to cover creating a Revit structural template file that is based off of the default structural template. Here I'll start off by creating a new template file by going to the large R in the upper left hand corner, selecting New from this drop down here, selecting structural template, and selecting the project template option, and you click OK. I selected the structural template from the drop down because the default structural template already has some settings pre-configured, so it saves some time from having to recreate those settings. Once Revit has been loaded, go back to the R in the upper left hand corner and selecting Save, and then save your template wherever you would like to save it. Mine's going to be under the template section under my default folder here, and I'm going to save it as cdg structural template underscore R17. Now R17 at the end of the template file just lets me know what version this template was created in. So if I'm working in R15, Revit 2015 for some reason, I know that I can't use this template because of the R17 at the end. So click Save, and I already have one, so I'm just going to overwrite the existing one. So now I have a Revit structural template file that I can start customizing. So this was a pretty basic tutorial. In part 2 of this video series, I will continue to work with my new structural template file and set up the units I work with on my projects.